Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Umesh. I'm an English trainer and I have been in this profession for almost 10 years. And today I have a lovely student named Harshita, and she is just only 14 years old, and she came to me before 2 months to learn English. And now today, after 2 months actually, I think 2.5 months maybe, correction please. And today she is ready to face interview. So I will show you her speaking and her skills and how hard she has practiced actually in her life to learn English. So today I'm gonna take interview of that girl. So first of all, I would like to introduce you with that girl. So beta, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Harshita, first of all, tell us something about yourself. I mean, what kind of girl you are and what you want to achieve in your life, and I mean something about yourself. We want to know you.
Hello, good morning. My name is Harshita
Okay.
and I am 14 years old, or I am in ninth standard, and I am a student of Indo.
Okay. So you are just only 14 years old. So beta, I will ask you some questions, okay, and you will have to answer. So I will ask you some simple questions only. Are you ready for that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you excited or are you nervous?
I am very excited.
Okay, are you excited? So, tell me about like what kind of thoughts you have about English and why should everyone learn it?
As we all know that English is the most important part in today's life, or as far as I am concerned, English is like an oxygen nowadays, because we can't survive without English in this modern era, and it has become an important part in our life. And if you want to succeed, then you will have to learn English, and it plays a big role in your success. Or if anyone wants to get a good job, so he or she needs to face interview in English.
Very good.
Or English is just not a language, actually it's a standard to live in high society. Or if you want to travel throughout the world, so either you need to hire a translator or you just need to know how to speak English. Otherwise you would not get any single word in their local language.
Absolutely, actually.
And nowadays everything is in English, or it is very easy to learn as well, and it can groom our personality and it gives us immense confidence. Or if we speak English in public, so many people think that we are well educated, but many people have this fear that English is very tough. But in reality it is the easiest language to learn. And I think confidence is also important.
Yes.
Because we can't express ourselves freely without confidence, and it is said that confidence is the key to success. Or v- con- sorry getting job. No, without English getting job is almost impossible, and I believe so. If you learn English, so you can get fame, respect, and money.
Yeah, everything like okay. Actually, it's very hard to believe that you are only 14 years old, and I mean, as you mentioned, you are in ninth standard, but you have a great knowledge about English. Actually, as you mentioned, and you know the value of English and confidence too. As you mentioned, that confidence is also something. Without confidence, we cannot learn English as well. So I want to know, or maybe many people want to know, that who inspired you to learn English, beta? What happened in your life? How did you come to know that I should learn English, or maybe this is the time to learn English? I mean, what happened? Tell me.
Actually, there is an incident in my life. It took place in the last of December.
Okay, last month. Okay, last December.
Huh.
Okay.
So, actually, I and my friend were doing our homework. So, my friend said to me that, Harshita, now we should learn English. So, I denied them in clear words that
Okay.
I don't want to learn English.
Okay.
But when I went home, so I thought about that, she's correct. And then I said to my mother that mother, I want to learn English. So she said, tomorrow we will check tomorrow we will check institutes.
Okay.
Then we will go many institutes, and fortunately I found Indo, and it has changed my life. And here I mentioned one thing, that my journey in Indo is has been fantastic.
Okay, so it means your friend is responsible. I mean, he is the reason, she is the reason, sorry, that she motivated you to learn English, I think, and she suggested you to learn English, and then you started. Okay, so you came to me, I think, 2.5 months ago, and you started. So, beta, after, I mean, before joining Indo and after coming Indo, what kind of changes you have made in your life? We want to know, I mean, what is the impact of English in your life? Like, there is any kind of change you have made in your life after joining us, or maybe after joining Indo?
Actually, before joining to Indo, I have many doubts, and I always thought that how to translate this sentence, how to translate that sentence. And then I joined Indo and I cleared my all doubts. But I have many doubts, and there is their translation neither in books and nor in dictionary.
Okay.
So before coming Indo, I have doubts, but now I can speak fluent English, and my all doubts are clear.
Okay, so it means, as you mentioned, like before joining Indo, you had many doubts, or maybe you had many sentences like how to speak in English these sentences, and you did not get any I mean, their meaning in maybe dictionary or in any kind of book. So that was the problem for you. You know that it happened with everyone. More often than not, it happens, and these type of problems everyone faced. So right now, are you in your comfort zone? Like you feel that I can translate any sentence, or maybe I can speak English right after joining Indo? Do you think that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so tell me why Indo is the best for the beginners actually, because many students want to learn English. बहुत सारे students हमारे ऐसे होते हैं जो English सीखना तो चाहते हैं, लेकिन उन लोगों को perfect destination नहीं मिल पाती है, या वो लोग ये नहीं समझ पाते कि हम लोगों को कहाँ से करना चाहिए, या फिर हम लोग कैसे start कर सकते हैं, English को कैसे सीखा जा सकता है. बहुत सारा डाउट उनके माइंड में होता है, वो चीज़ों को क्लियर नहीं कर पाते हैं. सो बेटा, व्हाट इज़ योर थॉट? आई मीन, व्हाई शुड Indo be joined by everyone, and what is the special in Indo? What you have faced? I mean, what is your experience?
Um, According to me, Indo is the perfect destination for English lover.
Okay.
And because, sorry, the way of teaching of Indo's teacher is amazing, and as well as very easy. Or if anyone's aims to speak English well, then that person must take online or offline free trial classes. Or it's my personal experience that English becomes more easier to in Indo. English becomes more easy in Indo, and it's amazing that after coming in Indo, English becomes very easy.
Okay, so you feel that English becomes really easy after coming in Indo. So maybe you had a fear of English before joining us, but right now you are in comfort zone. I feel that. Okay, so Harsita, here I want to know one thing, that as you mentioned, like Indo is the perfect destination, and you mentioned anyone can take offline and as well as online classes. Actually, we have the process of offline and online, both the classes are available. If you want to take any of them, you can comment us, or maybe you can message us, because you can see the contact number on the screen. So Harsita, here, tell me, I mean, give a message to those students who wants to learn English, but they are not able to take decision. Actually, they are not confident enough that we should join any kind of institute or not, or maybe they have many doubts about institutes, that online courses, they have doubt like we will learn or not. So what is the message you want to deliver for those students who wants to learn English but not able to take the decision?
Being a student of Indo, I would like to give suggestion to those students. If they must brush their skill and knowledge, and Indo is the perfect destination to fulfill their dreams.
Okay, so it means as she mentioned, and as you can see the result of 3 months only, she has learned English in 3 months only, and right now she is a fluent speaker. Because she has not completed her course, she will learn many things as well in future, but I can see that her future is bright. So if you want to take online or offline classes, so you can message us, we will provide you trial classes absolutely free. And if you have any kind of doubt about English, so you can directly message us, we will answer you as soon as possible for us. And if you want to see her another video, I mean if you want to see her in another video, so you can message us, because these type of videos we will make for you, so that you could improve your English as well while watching us. And till then, take care, bye bye, see you in next video.